Everyone, thank you for tuning in today. This is Mike Makers for makersgeneration.net. We have started a series of small tutorials on using Scratch for coding. So it's usually made for kids between 7 and 11. So we've seen since we started the different part of the interface while using Scratch. So you open Scratch, you text Scratch on Google, you arrive there, so you click on Start Creating. And we see wait a couple of seconds and we see the interface like this. So we've saw the different things and the costume, the backdrop, and so on. So let's see a bit sound now. So we can choose a sound for whatever we want. So like we can type depending of the project the kids are working on. I got animals as well. They usually like the cats, so uh, so I got dog. So that's pretty nice. So the kids can do just that. So and had it in the coding background while having fun with it. So pretty nice. Um, so and if you want to go there, you go to sound and you just click on that. So you click on that. So it had another. You can hear it. Very nice. So make it go faster, it louder, softer. You can so it goes like this, so slower, and that's all the things you can do a bunch of things with it. So that's pretty nice. So I hope you enjoy it. So it was a small tutorial, but I hope you enjoy it. So the kids can do all this modification and do whatever we want with the code. So thank you for tuning in and see you for another tutorial. Thank you.